Hey, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, welcome back to MixelPix. This is going to be a MixelPix one-shot, and I'm going to open up another box from Amazon.com. This box has some video production stuff in it. All right, first off, we've got this Aputure light, which came recommended to me by one of my coworkers. Thanks, Ed. I'm going to see how much of a difference this can make in my production here on MixelPix. So this is a little compact LED light, and it's got a diffuser on the front, it looks like. I'm hoping that this will help me punch up the robot characters when I'm shooting them against the white backdrop. It's been a little bit of a challenge with the lighting I've got. All right, so here's that Aputure light. Supposedly good for cameras and iPhones, or mobile phones rather, or professional use. So, be a professional or just look like one. All right, apparently it qualified for distribution. Warranty card and instruction product manual. I like the fact that it comes with a little case. 2 zippers though. Huh. Oh, a little carabiner, that's cool. You can hang it off of your production belt if you're on set, or if you're on run and gun location. USB. Don't eat this packet. A cold shoe mount for it, if you're going to put it on a real camera. Okay, cool little kit so far. I don't know if this is actually supposed to be anything like an actual frost for the lens, but maybe. Actually, it looks like they might have included a little gel kit here. That's really cool. All right, need to warm up the temperature of the light. Go ahead and throw this on. Need to cool it down. Go ahead and throw this on. Need to just make it softer. Throw this on. This is a neat little kit. The diffuser is just held on by magnets. Very cool. And I guess that's why these are going to work, because you just throw those in between, sandwich them in, and boom, you got a diffuser on top of the diffuser. Same story with these gels. There we go. Look at that. That is way cool. That is definitely a value add there. Wow. Nice. This company, Amaran, seems to be putting out good product. How does this work? Okay, so you just put it in here and then it just sandwiches shut, I guess, with this screw for tension. Yeah. Just creates a clamp here. Nice. All right, well, we'll see how it goes with production. Well, that's it for this Aputure Amaran AL-M9. kind of a boring but necessary buy. A box of light bulbs. Yeah, these are necessary for this video production stuff. If you want to have good color. As you can see here, these bulbs are rated for 5500K. That's the light temperature. And that is more of a true daylight temperature. So that gives colors a crisp, real look. When you see red, you expect it to be red. This is the kind of color temperature that lets it look like that kind of red. All right, well that's it for this MixelPix one-shot. I hope you found this enlightening. And see you next time.